In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Apple Watch Ultra 2 to iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Apple Watch Ultra 2 or any other model and connecting it to your iPhone 14 Pro Max is extremely simple. Both devices will automatically recognize themselves and they will be able to sync up easily. So make sure that both devices are sufficiently charged. I would recommend at least 50% of battery on both, and after this is done, your iPhone should be turned on the latest firmware available. Same for your Apple Watch. Now, all that you have to do is turn on your Apple Watch. Press and hold the respective side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So if it is turned off, power it on now. Once the Apple Watch is powered on, as soon as you put it in close proximity of your iPhone, it should automatically pick up the watch and it is going to give you the prompt to connect. So all that you have to do now is choose the option to pair both devices. They will pair themselves up automatically and you will be able to customize some settings about the watch. If this doesn't happen, or if you would like to start from scratch manually, all that you have to do is go over to the settings on your iPhone and look for Apple Watch, or you can open the Apple Watch application. Once this is done and you are inside of the corresponding Apple Watch app, you will be able to choose Setup for myself and pair a new watch. Once again, as long as they are in close proximity and both devices are powered on, you will be able to select the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and start the setup process. You can customize many things like the watch face, the apps, and the settings through this setup process, and once it is done, both of them will be connected. If you had previously connected another Apple Watch model, you will be able to disconnect them if needed, but as long as you put them in close proximity, you will be able to synchronize both devices together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Watch Ultra 2 to iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.